Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel we talk about makeup, skin and hair. In today's video I'm going to show you a quick Indian look that you can do in 7 minutes. Yes, I timed it. I did it the other day and I timed it and it was exactly 7 minutes, so I thought I'm going to do a tutorial on this. I'm going to keep it fairly simple and easy so everyone can follow along. I'm going to show you a few different options that you can use for the products, and I'll show you exactly what I do to achieve my everyday Indian look. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I post new videos. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So for this look, you're gonna need any kind of foundation, 2 concealers, one or two shades darker than your skin tone and the other 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, any cream contour, any bronzer, any blush, any highlighter, translucent powder, black eyeliner pencil, any brow product, any neutral eyeshadow palette, mascara and eyelash curler, and last, any setting spray. So let's get started with the look. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. I'm just gonna take some on my palm. And then I'm gonna use a wet beauty blender to apply it. Just gonna apply it all over my face. I'm just gonna leave the under eye area, because we're going to conceal it with concealers. Hold on, I forgot to say a lipstick. You definitely need that. Now I'm going to use this darker shade concealer to conceal under my eyes. It's going to work as a color corrector, so it's going to balance out the darkness under my eyes. I'm going to put some over here as well, next to my nose. This too I'm going to blend with a beauty blender. And now I'm going to use this lighter concealer to highlight my face. I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. And I'm going to stretch it out like this, right under where your wing liner would go. Same on the other side. A little bit in here, and then we're going to put some on the forehead to give it a nice highlight. Bring it down the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the chin, and again I like to lift it up like this, like so. And if you want, you can also put some right under your brow like so. And actually I'm just going to put some in my inner corner as well. Inner corner of the eyes, like so. Now I'm going to take the same beauty blender and blend it all out. Always remember to tap instead of swipe, because you don't want to move around the product that you've just placed. Once it's all nice and blended, I'm going to take this translucent powder and set my face. You always should set your face. If you're using any cream products, you always need to use powder on top of it to set your face. Don't need to go too crazy and do all that baking, but just a little bit of the powder and you're good to go. This is also going to help your makeup last longer. Next, I'm going to take this bronzer and just bronze my face. So we're going to start from the top of the ear and then come towards the lips, but don't have to come all the way. We can stop where the eyeball is. So just like so. So as you can see the difference between the two sides, this side looks more chiseled, and bronzing also helps bring some color back on your face. Just gonna go over my hairline so it all looks nice and blended. Just a little bit on the jawline. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to take this flat but fluffy brush and I'm going to take some of that bronzer and just go over my nose like so. It's again to just bring the color back. Just going to blend it into my brows. I'm going over it again and again to make sure that it's all nicely blended. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. A little bit at the tip of the nose. And now I'm going to take some of this blush and just add it to my cheek. I use a fat fluffy brush for this so it blends out evenly. Next I'm going to take some of this highlighter and add it to my cheekbone area. Without highlighter the look is not complete. Just gonna put a little bit under my brows as well. Don't worry if you get it on the brows because we haven't done the brows yet, so we're gonna go over it. I keep going over again and again on everything because I want to blend out everything perfectly. I don't want patches of red, patches of highlight all on my face, so that's why I just use my brush strokes over and over and over to blend out. So basically everywhere we highlighted with the concealer earlier, you can go in with the shimmer highlighter and just highlight your face. Coming on to the most important step, the brows. I'm going to use this brow pencil. It's from Benefit called Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I really love this diamond shape of this pencil. So let's get started with the tail of the brow. I'm just going to try and give it a little bit of a shape. I don't get hair on my full brow, so some parts I have to create with the makeup. So over here where I didn't have any hair, I just added some color. Then I'm going to join the front bit with the tail, creating this arch like so. Just gonna fill it in as well. Coming to the inner corner of the brow, I'm just gonna fill it in like so, in an upward direction, because that's how our natural brow hair is. There we go, we've done one brow and you can already see what difference it makes. Like this one, half of my face looks so structured and I love this about doing brows. And now that our brows are done, I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to take this neutral shade and put it all over my lid. It's important to blend this out very well. Otherwise, it's just going to look like a patch of eyeshadow on your eyes. Just blend, blend, blend. I'm also going to put it under my eyes. It's a good idea to look up while doing this. It makes it so much easier. And that's it. I'm going to keep the eyes very simple, but no Indian look is complete without a kajal. So I'm going to put some kajal in my waterline. And now I'm going to put a little bit on my lid, just along the lash line. Don't worry about getting the eyeliner all neat and clean because we're going to blend it out anyway. I'm just going to take this dark brown shade and then I'm going to swipe this brush right on top of the eyeliner. And now I'm going to do exactly the same thing under my eyes. Just add some of that dark brown shade. And now we're going to curl our lashes. This is the most important step. If you're not using any false lashes, then for your own natural lash, it looks really beautiful with the mascara if you've curled your lashes. So I'm just going to place my lashes in between the curler, press, and I'll just count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're done. I'm not sure if you can see it because there's no mascara on, but it's given a really nice lift to my lashes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to use the mascara to keep the lashes up. Just keep brushing. I also like to do it on the top, so I look down like this and then just brush it from the top as well, and then lift it up again. The bottom lashes as well. And now I'm going to apply this lipstick. I'm using this a nude pinkish shade. Just going to go over my lips. So the look is nearly done, but it's never over until you've set your face with a setting spray. So I'm going to just apply some setting spray. And I'm going to finish this look with a little bindi. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for the beginners, because that's the purpose of this video, to help the beginners. So if you did enjoy this video or found it useful, then please give it a thumbs up, because that helps me a lot. And I make videos every Monday and Thursday, so if you're interested in videos like this one, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.